Welcome back to Ben's Garage. It's another glorious day. Now, I could say that I've not washed this car for 2 years because I wanted to check out the integrity of Land Rover's paintwork and see how it holds up through neglect. But in all honesty, we've just not got round to it. Every time the Hobbit goes out in it and I see dirt up the side, I say, really must wash that car, really must wash that car. And I've been saying that for like the last 6 months. Possibly longer. So today we're going to crack on and detail this car. Now previously I've always washed the car with a bucket and the sponge, squirt of fairy liquid and a hose pipe to rinse it off. Today it seems to be the new method. So we've got ourselves a pressure washer, which is a Karcher K4. We've got some of this Auto Glim Polar Blast and a little spray bottle. So I've never washed a car like this before. I'll get the cameras on time lapse and we'll see what happens. So see you over at the car. Almost done. I can't do the roof. We should have done the roof first, but the Hobbit's up there spraying the shampoo on. You normally start with the roof, but she was doing something else, and we'll get this done. Oh yeah, cracking. So it's a bit of a birthday for the car. First wash in 2 years. It's coming up quite nice. The wheels are going to need a bit more attention. This shampoo stuff, it's not a wonder thing that everyone on the internet is making it out to be. A lot of people are spraying it on and just washing it off, and apparently the dirt comes off. Whether it's because this car hasn't been washed for 2 years, it might be stubborn grime, but we're finding that we just have to agitate it a little bit with a brush and then wash it off. And that seems to be doing the trick. You'll notice that the Hobbit is sporting a Ben's Garage summertime vest. No, you need to stand up and...
Oh, do I?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. Ben's Garage. Yeah.
Right, you got the thing.